If you use any of these gadgets, it's time to include retinol into your skincare regimen. Retinol tips and tricks. Hey Skylers, I'm Sky or Belle, shall we? I felt personally attacked. Ideally, the age to start using retinol is set at 25. However, some people get prescribed retinol because of their acne at a younger age. But retinol is one skincare product that you have to have in your regimen after a certain age. Next to sunscreen, it is the most important skincare ingredient of all time. The reason is because this is the only product, and I mean the only product that has been proven and backed by research to help with anti-aging. Being that there are different types, formulations, and strengths of retinol, the number one question would be, which one do I pick? As a beginner, I always recommend to start soft and start small, meaning use the lowest strength possible. Start with an over-the-counter retinol ester, move on to a retinoid, then move on to a retinol, and finally retinoic acid prescription. Depending on the type of retinol that you buy, say you get a retinol ester, these are usually the steps before it finally converts to retinoic acid on your skin, and that's where you get the anti-aging benefits. How much do you actually need to be applying? A pea-size amount. This is more than enough to be applied all over your face. It's not a spot treatment, so you do need to spread it all across your face, excluding the eyelids and the immediate under eye area, because those are quite sensitive. But a pea size is a pea size. Retinol is not a product to joke with. It is super strong, so please don't feel because you're not seeing immediate results you need to apply more. No, stick to a pea size amount. What are the benefits of using retinol in your skincare regimen? It is more than just an acne treatment. Retinol helps to even out hyperpigmentation. It also supports collagen production, and it helps to smoothen out fine lines. This is a one-stop shop product that everyone needs to add to their skincare routine. The number one key to using retinol is consistency. Consistency over quantity and strength. You don't need a lot of product, a pea-size amount consistently, and you don't need the highest strength. You just need to be consistent. Even if you buy the lowest strength 0.025 and you consistently use that, you'd see results, as opposed to buying the 1% strength and using it once a month. Here are recommendations for beginners. L'Oreal Revitalift is a good option to start with, and it contains 0.3%. It Cosmetics Wrinkle Reducing Daily Cream is another alternative, very good. Deferine is also a very good one, and this is 0.01%. It's adapalene. This is always prescribed for acne. It's really good as well. A great place to start. A313 is a very good one. It's a French brand, but it's really good. For simplicity, please use only at nighttime. Retinol breaks down on contact with sunlight, and you can get serious damage if you do not use this with sunscreen. I like to play it safe and use it only at nighttime. How often do you use this? Everyone's skin is different. For beginners, I would always say start with 2 to 3 times a week. See how your skin reacts, and then you can add one night and one night and one night to build up your tolerance. For 2 months, see how your skin reacts. If you can tolerate it, you can incorporate one night and then build up from there. As the years go by, you can attempt to increase the strength, but I would say just be patient. No need to rush. If your skin is comfortable, it's better to use that consistently. What do you do if you're super sensitive? Example, you have eczema, psoriasis, and you can't tolerate retinol well? Here's a trick to use. Wash your skin and pat dry completely. Don't exfoliate, so skip any form of exfoliation from your regimen, and then use the buffer or sandwich method, meaning you apply on freshly washed skin, you apply your moisturizer, then you use the retinol, and if your skin is still reacting to it, you use the sandwich method. So moisturizer, retinol, and another moisturizer again. So it's like a sandwich. That way you're able to reduce any form of irritation that your skin may feel. Good moisturizers to use are Pale Beauty Oh So Simple Cream. Mwah, love that, especially for oily skin. It's a simple and gentle moisturizer. You can use that for your sandwich or buffer method. Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Moisturizing Gel is also another great one. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I freaking love that stuff. It's rich in ceramides and it's very, very high hydrating. You can use that to buffer or sandwich when using retinol. For very dry skin, Tatcha Indigo Cream is a great alternative. That stuff is really heavy duty. Cica Plasma Balm B5 by La Roche-Posay is fantastic for if you have sensitive skin. It's also an overall great moisturizer in itself. Areas to avoid completely when using retinol: around the mouth or chin area. I personally would just use it and let myself peel, because definitely not on the eyelids and the under eye area. It's too thin and sensitive. Do not apply retinol there. The neck and chest, a lot of people react negatively because of the potency. If you must, either use the buffer or the sandwich method. Moisturize heavily and then go in with your retinol. If you insist on using retinol on the neck and chest, please go for the lowest strength possible. If you're interested in getting prescription strength retinol and you don't have access to a derm, there are a couple of websites that retail prescription strength retinol online. You can use that option, but please be careful. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. That's it, guys. I hope these tips were helpful, and I hope you finally incorporate a retinol product into your regimen. We want to keep our youthful glow for as long as possible, so it's time, guys. On this week's roster, please help me tell the following brands to add your baby girl to their PR list, and once they do, I will definitely come back and share the good news with you guys. Then enable me review more amazing skincare products for my Skylers. L'Oreal, It Cosmetics, Zephyrine, Crave Beauty. Tell them I love their Oh So Simple Gel Moisturizer. CeraVe, Tatcha, I freaking love her silk canvas. La Roche-Posay, and as always, I have their Instagram handles linked in the description box down below. All you have to do is click on it, go over to their page and leave them a comment saying, hey, add Skybelle to your PR list. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. If you have any more questions, leave them down below, or better still, follow me on TikTok and ask under any of my videos. I'm literally always on that app. That's it, I'll see you in my next video.